Hey guys, what should I do after fresh installation of Windows 10? You think I'm gonna say, hey guys, I guess that's it? No. Even Windows 7, Windows XP, etc. Most of the problems and errors that Windows users face after fresh installation is the lack of many files, missing DLL files or C++ runtimes or even drivers that make some programs and games not working. We're gonna face some major issues, major errors we're gonna fix today. We're gonna learn what to do after fresh installation of Windows 10. Okay? First of all, Windows Update. Why Windows Update is so important? Because we have to download and install Windows updates that will solve most of the problems. Download missing drivers for your device. From start menu, we're gonna go to the settings and update and security and Windows Update. Click check for updates. After clicking on check for updates, you just wait until the updates finish, then restart your PC. Another important step is to download the hardware drivers manually or through software such as driver boosters. We will explain a driver booster program today in this tutorial. I will set this link in the description of this video. Click I'm not a robot, create download link and click to download. After downloading driver booster, we're gonna extract it, then go to files and silent installation. After installing the driver booster, we're gonna open it and click scan here. Check the drivers you want and click update now. After finishing updates, the program will restart your PC. Then your hardware drivers update. Third step, to download DirectX and C++ runtimes redistributable. Okay, first we're gonna download the DirectX. I will set also this link in the video description. Click download and open it. Accept the license agreement and next. Uncheck next and wait 2 minutes, 3 minutes. This should make DirectX install in your device. Click finish and the last step remains, which is downloading the redistributable C++ runtimes. Go to the Tech Power Up site, this link in the video description, click download, choose your server and you're gonna extract the file and right click, run as administrator. Then you should wait about 2 minutes, 3 minutes until the small screen will disappear. And now you can download your favorite games, favorite apps without facing any problems. Thanks for watching. I hope you the best.